do is take this Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, and I'm going to take it in the color Sun Glow, which is the darkest color. I believe they have like three or four colors. It smells really good. This one leaves like a nice, really subtle glow to your face, but it doesn't leave my skin oily, which, oh, come on. Huh. The bottom part just dropped on my pants. The Smashbox Photo Finish Primer in the pore minimizing one around my nose and my cheeks right here, because that's where I kind of just have large pores, so I'm gonna apply it right here. So for foundation, I'm trying this new one. It's the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation infused with peach and sweet fig cream. It is oil-free, 24-hour wear, oil controlling, and photo friendly. And it also smells like peaches. I know that because when I swatched it. This is in the color Vanilla. I don't know if this is my, I'm just gonna try it. I don't know. No, it is. It looks good right now, but I read that it oxidizes, so we'll see. I'm gonna apply this. It smells good. So happy I picked the right color. It's the first one that I kind of went towards and it works, so I'm pretty happy about that. It's got pretty good coverage. I would say like a medium coverage, but I like it. I kind of hope it oxidizes at this point because it's a little bit light. It's a little light. For concealer, I'm going to use Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer. I'm using light medium honey, and I'm going to take Sigma's Beauty Sponge 3D HT thing. And then I'm going to set that with the Laura Mercier setting powder. And fit Hello Flawless in Never Settle Petal and just go over my face. Colored a little darker than my skin tone, but it's okay, I like that. So first I'm going to take Sigma's eyeshadow primer base stick, and it is in the one for Suede, which I always use. And then the colors that I'm going to be using are from the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. And I'm first going to take the yellow with the Sigma E40 blending brush, or I'm sorry, E38 blending brush, and I'm just going to run that into my crease. And then the next color I'm going to take is the lighter orange shade, and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to just take that further into my crease, a little bit lower than the yellow. And then I'm going to take the darker orange, like coral shade, and with the Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm going to do the exact same thing basically, but just a little bit lower into my crease. And then I'm going to take a L'Oreal base. I'll have these listed what they are in the description box. Everything will be listed in the description box. But I'm just going to apply that, and then I'm going to use this Sugar Pill pigment. Again, I will list this in the description box too. And I just applied that over it because it adds a little bit of like glittery, shimmery color. It's a really pretty color. And then I just added brown to my waterline. This is from Ciate London. I took that eyeliner a little lower than my lower lash line. I pulled it down a little bit, so I blended it out with the lighter kind of brownish coral color, and the lashes I used are Juliette from House of Lashes. I forgot to add my inner corner highlight, and for that I'm going to use Jouer's Ice highlighter. For bronzer, I'm going to take the new Morphe Highlight and Contour Palette. I think this is 8L, Lo-Fi 8L it says. And it looks like this. I think I'm going to take Donut. Maybe I'm going to try Donut. First, I think I'm going to take this one, and then I'm going to go in with this one. So I'm just taking the darker color after all. So far I'm really liking that the foundation, it stayed pretty well. And then for blush, I'm going to take this Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. This is the color Date Night. I think I'm just going to, I wanted something a little bit peachier, but yeah, I'm going to take this one. It's called Date Night. I'm also going to give one of these away. This and also a Mermaid Glow highlighter, also from Ciate London. So all you have to do, it's US only. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment in the comments below, and I will pick one winner. First time I'm using this one. For highlighter, I'm going to use this palette also, and I'm going to use the color, I tried Lit before, that just didn't work on me. I think I'm going to try Supernova. So I'm going to spray a little bit of Smashbox's Coconut, So Chill Coconut Primer Water on my blender, and then I'm going to go in with the highlight. Probably not the best color to use because it's kind of pink. So I put the lighter color, the color Stardust, over it just because Supernova is pretty, but it's more like, comes off kind of pink. No, I'm not a huge fan of those Morphe highlighters. Before I do my lips, I'm going to spray everything with the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. I haven't used it, so. Oh, it's like a, it's not like a spray like their other ones, like the coconut water. It's kind of like a mist. For lips, I'm going to use the Jouer Fawn lip liner, and then I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Girlfriend. Oh my god! What the hell? I just started. I don't know what's going on right now. The whole like little, what is it called? The little like sifter thing or whatever. The whole like little sifter thing just came out as I was like tapping it in, and it fell all over the place.